Hey everybody, my name's Jake and today's the day I finally get my act together and start doing this vlog series I've been talking about for so long. It's a pretty significant day because it's the last day I'm going to own that thing, not the Civic, the Silvia.
It's a bit dusty from having sat around for the last couple months, but let's fire it up and take it out the front and give it a wash, and I'll run you through what the car is.
So this is my 1991 Nissan S13 Silvia. I picked this up about 5 years ago and it was a SR20 DET at the time. It had coilovers, welded-in half cage, and it was still registered at the time. So in the last 5 years since I've owned the car, I've converted it from a drift car into a time attack car. It's had a lot of work done since then. It's been completely resprayed. All the sound deadening has been removed. Now got a full AGI national level roll cage in it, a velo seat. It's had an LS1 T56 manual transmission conversion done. Makes 310 kilowatts at the wheels, and that was tuned by LS Engineering in Wodonga. So I raced this car for maybe 2 seasons, 2 years with an SR20 in it, and after having a little bit of trouble with that SR20 I decided it was time to move on to maybe something more reliable, so I converted it to an LS1. That took me about 8 months to do, pretty casually while I was doing it. It wasn't a full-time sort of thing, but drove it around with the LS1 for about a year, and it was roughly 2 to 3 seconds quicker a lap than what the SR20 was. So later today, it's moving on to its new home. A local fella called Casey's buying it. It's a bit of a shame to see it go, but I've got to build a house and I've got a few other plans on the horizon, and unfortunately selling this is going to mean I can finance those plans. So part of those plans is going to be to start doing this vlog. What I'm hoping to do is take you to a lot of the track days, so a lot of sprints and a lot of motorcarnas, and hopefully at some stage we'll be able to start doing some door-to-door racing, and I'm hoping to sort of document a lot of that firsthand, and a lot of building the cars and set up for actual track days. So the guys just about to pick up the Silvia, so I'm just replacing some dust seals on the trailer. Just want to pull them off, dust, crap. And I replaced the jockey wheel, so he's going to borrow the trailer to deliver the car and then bring it back. And later this week I'm going to pick up a new project, so a bit of a road trip to go, so try and get this thing in a decent condition for a 2200 kilometre drive. As sad as it is to see the Silvia go, it's going to be an opportunity to get this channel off the ground and hopefully bring you guys some interesting car builds and some interesting track days. So if you're interested in any of that sort of stuff, please consider liking and subscribing.